Tatlo po kaming pumili ng best uniform. Nag-agree ho lahat kami sila ang pinakamaganda. Walang iba kundi Pinoy Tropa. Panguling ng 45. Sino ang captain ball? Captain ball?
May hugot na kanila panapitin mo.
Hindi. Sabihin muna namin some best news o beautiful news, whatever na tawagin nyo ay news ng Borlote! Ang criteria ang criteria namin lahat sila magaganda. Lahat sila magaganda. But the criteria that we have chosen for Lodi was nasa complete attire. Kung ano ang event na pupuntahan niya. Sneakers, the jersey, the uniform, saka maganda ang ipit.
Next, Mr. from Tansi, Mr. Marvin and Yanyan Orticio. Mythical 10. Marvin Mercado and Yanyan Orticio from Tansi.
Yan, si Marvin.
From Team Borlote Mythical 10, Mr. Hernando and Mr. Malapitan. Please come forward po. Hernando. Mr. Hernando and Mr. Malapitan. And from Team Arca, Mr. Lugatok and Mr. Miranda. Team Arca, Mr. Lugatok and Team Miranda. All medals are sponsored by Mr. Tito Arellano. Congrats ko sa inyong lahat, Mythical 10. Dito, picture po muna lahat sa mga Mythical 10. Picture mo muna tayo sa 10 Mythical 10. Forward, please. Okay. Then we would like to ask the attention of all sponsors to receive the certificate of appreciation from
Kuya Mario.
Certificate of achievement.
Janet.
Grazie. Janet. Ay, ito yung ano. Saglit. Janet.
Sponsored second place trophy, Dancel Miguel. Mr. Dancel Miguel.
Ay, kuha.
Umuwi na si Emma. Ba't di sinama si...
Third place trophy, sponsored by Mr. Michael Del Mundo.
Wala siya. Umalis na.
Meron po kayo representative, si Sir Michael Del Mundo.
Sabi kanina, kunin ko na lang daw.
Pare. Pare may. Pre, tao ang buhok. Parang may kino wala sa kanya.
Manan! Guy!
Sama.
Okay. Ganda ng ano natin.
Sponsored Best News Trophy and cash prize from Miko Martinez. Best News Trophy and cash prize, Miko Martinez.
Yay!
Guy, compress picture.
Ay, ispasang po kwat para kita yung
Dini
ano.
kayo.
Posa nila. Yan, nakay. Artista na kayo.
Okay.
Best Uniform Trophy and cash prize, Rosalyn Senubio. Mamaya na daw.
Yung nagtitinda.
MVP Season Trophy, Batangas Bars Italian Parma.
Ay, ito.
Rico. Sir Rico. Batangas Bars Italian. Sponsored MVP Season Trophy. MVP Finals and Best Coach Trophy, Mr. Reyes Sneakers.
Marife.
Reyes Sneakers.
Marife.
Sa mga naghahanap ng mga hot arrival sneakers, Reyes Sneakers.
Dini kayo to eh.
Two mythical medals and 5 trophies, sponsored by Mr. RJ Adventure Group. Two mythical medals and 5 trophies, Mr.
But-
RJ Adventure Group.
Bot! Hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo to.
Mythical 5 trophy, Tropang Pinoy. Mythical 5 trophy sponsored by Tropang Pinoy. Tropang Pinoy.
Oh, kayo pala, Tropang Pinoy.
Kayo pala.
Oh. Tropa tayo.
Tropa tayo, ha?
Best Organized Team Trophy, sponsored by Mr. Rene Maniego. receive by Mr. Reyes.
Pag-iisapin mo pa paano?
Mami, sure? Mythical 5 trophy sponsored by Mr. R.B. Makasae. R.B. Makasae. Mythical 5 trophy. Thank you, sir.
Day, dito kayo sa...
Kanta na, kanta na.
Day, day.
Kanta pa, isa pa.
Manang.
Kanta, kanta.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. MVP season and MVP final clothing sponsored by Respect Clothing. Mr. Galang. Just Galang. Mr. Just Galang. MVP season and MVP final clothing. Thank you, sir.
Oh, day. Oh. Okay.
Mythical 5 trophy sponsored by Tresquillion de Parma. Tresquillion de Parma. Mythical 5 trophy. Thank you po. Sure.
Sis. Okay.
Thank you. Ang ating ex.
Ay, ito yan.
15 medals for the champion. Sponsored by Mulanay Bikers.
Mulanay.
15 medals for the champion. Mulanay Bikers. Anyone from Mulanay po na pwede mag-receive? Bikers.
Nasaan si ano? Bikers? Hindi ka Mulanay Bikers?
Mulanay Bikers? Sino ba Mulanay Bikers?
Okay, picture na lang natin.
Oh, day. Oh, manang. Okay.
10 medals for the Mythical 10. Sponsored by Tito Araniano. Mr. Tito Araniano? Anyone from the family of Mr. Araniano? Araniano, huwag mo akong saguhan. Miss Edna Arellano, in behalf of Mr. Tito Arellano, we would like to thank you for 10 medals for Mythical 10.
Wala.
Day, dito kayo. Picture.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, sponsor. Let's go back to the game. Fourth Mythical 5, sponsored by Miss Tresquillion de Parma, goes to Lambino, Mr. Lambino. Tropang Pinoy, Mr. Lambino. Fifth Mythical 5, sponsored by Arte Adventure Group, goes to Mr. Castillo. Jorge Palma, Mr. Castillo.
Best coach.
best coach muna.
Kanina ano ganyan?
Organized team.
Best organized team. Anong best organized team? Kurloti.
Kay Emoy. Nasa labas.
Best organized team, sponsored by Remy Manego, goes to Team Corlotti. Team Corlotti.
Wala na. Best coach. Ito, kuya.
Best coach,
Champion. Yung champion. Wait lang, wait.
Season MVP, sponsored by Batangas Bars Italian Pharma, goes to Mr. Nico Mayuga. MVP season, Mr. Nico Mayuga.
Final song. Ano pa pala? Ano pa may sa ano pa? Sa MVP season.
MVP season, sponsored by Respect Clothing. MVP season,
Mamaya, final song.
copy and t-shirt from Respect Clothing. Nico Mayuga. This t-shirt shirt sponsored by Respect Clothing.
Sana all the t-shirts.
Champion. Champion team. Best coach natin. Sabay kanina. Okay, grazie.
MVP Finals, sponsored by Reyes Sneakers, goes to Mr. Recto. And MVP Finals trophy and prize trophy and a t-shirt from Respect Clothing. Grazie, congrats, Mr. Recto. Grazie. Then,
Champion. Yan, best coach. Best coach pala.
best coach, sponsored by Reyes Sneaker, goes to
Friends.
Best coach, sponsored by Reyes Sneaker, goes to Mr. Rance Revilla. Thank you, Reyes Slinker. And here we go for the champion. Sponsored by Centro Vera and Mr. Renz Revilla with a cash prize of €300. Centro Vera, thank you for sponsoring the trophy and a cash prize of €300 goes none other than Corte Parma. Sabi naman na isa-isang medal, please.
May nilabas kong kuha natin.
Isa-isang medal. Tayo muna. Isa-isang patayoy natin. Okay, isa-isang medal.
Pwede atin to. Ay, may dalaga kayo upuan na gano'n. Oo, dalawa yan.
Medals for champion is sponsored by Mulanay Bikers. Sir?
Maaaring gamit yung... Isa niya. Wala na din.
Mr. Brion, Mr. Darren, Mr. Rupert,
Gichi yan eh. 15 no.
Mr.
Wala sa
Dan,
kotse. Tinamon to sa dulo.
Mr. Jericho Castillo, Mr. Daniel and Nico Mayuga. Congratulations! Thank you, Mulanay Bikers, for sponsoring our medal. Can we take a photo?